This month I'm doing crazy things. So in that crazy thing, this is something really special for me. Segment is going to be like this, where I'm going to ask some questions to her. So are you ready? This
Absolutely, forever. I was born ready for this.
Oh, it's another daily vlog, and today I have a special guest. I have been dreaming to do something like this for the longest because I had discussed with one of my friends that we'll do some cooking related stuff. So they come to my house and they cook one day or something. But unfortunately, that thing did not happen. But really, I'm doing something different, and this month I'm doing crazy things. So in that crazy thing, this is something really special for me. And my first guest on my hot seat is my bestie.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to be on your screen and on your camera right now. You have no idea. I have been dreaming more about this day than you have, and I think I've followed up with you so many times about it. So,
Exactly. Segment is going to be like this, where I'm going to ask some questions to her.
She prepared the questions.
Yeah, but
I feel more ready for the answers than.
Because I didn't want to cheat this time, honestly. I didn't want to cheat because if I had to prepare, then I had to go through ChatGPT, find the correct words and all. So that's why I did not want to do all that stuff. So I just picked up the questions, and I'm going to ask her the question. That's why I made her my driver also for Ray. So are you ready?
Absolutely, forever. I was born ready for this.
Our tire is punctured.
I think it's universe's way of making something small happen to prevent you from something bigger happening.
I love her. This is the reason I love her. She thinks exactly like me, and I'm okay, It's okay. But anyways, it's my mistake also because I was supposed to check my tires last week, but as usual,
All is well, all is well. All is good in the hood.
it's okay. Okay, so first, before I start the questions also, tell me how many years we know each other, maybe roughly.
11 years. Exactly 11 years, and it's just like 11 in less than a month because October 2014 is when we met in Inchcape. And it's
I would
just
fail
first
now.
November.
I would fail now.
11 years.
Yeah, nice.
See, Angel, 11.
Yeah, and how did we meet and where did we meet? Like
Inchcape, my first workplace, and you were already
Senior for it.
everyone's whatever. I was gonna say everyone's favorite person, but okay.
I like to listen something's good like this about me. Yeah.
I
But
want to
she's-
be,
She's the most youngest, by the way. We are 3 besties now. Out of 3, she's the youngest, sweetest, cutest, and some lot, a lot more. I'll tell as we question each other, So let me start with the questions. So the first question is, what's the first memory that comes to your mind when you think of us?
I mean, I don't know if I can call it first, but one of the memories which really, I think of if you ask me specifically about the two of us is when I was working in Jumbo. So after Inchcape, I had moved to Jumbo Electronics.
Yes.
There was this cafe called Downtown Cafe. And they had really amazing pasta, club sandwich, and cappuccino. And my work hours used to be crazy. So you used to come to meet me. You and Lavanya used to actually come and meet me. And one of the days, I think it was just you and I. And there's a cute selfie picture of us with like the, big cappuccino mug. So I don't know whether we look better or the cappuccino is more photogenic than the two of us. But yeah, that's one of the sweetest memories. That and... I think all the times in Inchcape where we've shared meals together, and there was a samosa incident, but I can't name all the characters during that.
It's, yeah, of course. Yes, I'm going to share the video to those people. So we're not going to do that. Yeah, we're not going to. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
For me,
some names shall not be
yeah,
taken.
yeah. So for me, she's like the sweetest person I have known, at least. I don't know, from the day one, I've been learning something or the other from her, like everything. And every time spent with her, okay, before meeting, it's like different situations, scenarios that be there in my mind. But the minute I meet her, I don't know, my energy is so different. I can't tell, but I don't know if they can sense it that way. But I know how it feels for me.
Always look forward to meeting you, and I feel like something that just totally comes effortlessly, and you no matter how tired you are, no matter what kind of a day you've had, you're like a golden retriever. Like anyone seeing you will just automatically feel happy. I think that answers one of the characteristics that you're gonna ask me in the next question. So
Did I tell you the questions? I just gave her some hints, what are the questions?
but I remember.
Okay, this video is going to be long, I think so, but then it doesn't matter. Let me do the next question, yeah? Second question is, what's that one thing that you admire about me and one thing that annoys you?
No, hang on. You're supposed to answer the questions as well.
Okay, the best memory, not best, there are many memories. Out of that one memory or 2 memories, if I have to say, is the food time. The one thing which I really liked, I don't know which one I liked. I liked everything. Like, you know, when she got lunch boxes, got excited me because her mama used to write all that thing and get, like, you know, so that was something nice. We always had lunch
Yeah,
together.
but that's between you and my mom.
But it's for you, because of you, right?
11 years. You can't think of a memory. Absolutely.
I don't know. There are so many memories, but I don't know. Everything is nice with her. But one memory, what the hell is one memory like?
Okay, I'll give you some grace, and
We'll think about it.
We
and
can
come
yeah
back
we can go to the next question, but we got to come back to this, and you need to answer. You can't say
I
what.
think I'll answer the second part later. Like, you know, yeah, we'll do that. Yeah? Okay. What's that one thing you admire about me and one thing that annoys you? I think I should have been the question to be like only I ask you and you answer me, right? It should be about me only. I think I should made a mistake that, you know. Tell me answer.
Liking this. What's the question again?
What's that one thing you admire about me and one thing that annoys you?
See, I can't say one thing that I admire about you because there's many. I think one of the things is just your positive nature. No matter what the situation is, you'll always find a silver lining. You always just know how to lighten up a person's mood by just being around them, and sometimes also like a sacrificial goat because we get to make fun of you, so so like total stress release. That's one. And
Annoys.
I think I want to say one more thing. I really love how you manage all your relationships. That's one thing that I've really learned over the years. So the way you are with your friends, the way you make time for family. And like when I say family, no, husband is not just family. For your husband, there's like a whole separate section. So I really love how you make sure you are there everywhere, and moreover, not just that, you manage to make time for yourself as well. So I think that is something I really admire. And you're really intelligent when you put your mind to something. And one of the only thing that I find annoying about you is that you always sell yourself short. You always underestimate yourself and you don't realize your worth. So you need to give yourself more credit, and that's the only thing that I find annoying about you. There are other things, but they don't relate to me, so they don't bother me.
Okay, one thing that I love about her
Excuse
is
me? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Financial things, like, you know, whatever she does and however she does, I've learned a lot from her. I know she would say that no, I've not done this and blah 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 blah, but her little things that she's told, I don't know, somewhere it's stuck into my brains and the nerves and everything, and I've taken it from there. Because till I met her, if you would have asked me what's my bank balance, I would have always been like, I don't have anything, because there's no salary savings and all that stuff. But since I met her, since she started telling, like, you know, she saves like this and she does this and everything, she enjoys the life to the fullest, but she saves also, which is amazing skill which I really really love and admire. And I think every girl should do it, like should follow that thing. I mean, she enjoys, she goes to clubs, she drinks and whatever she does, there's no compromise, but she does the savings also. I think that's one skill which I have taken it from since I met her. It's still going on, like, you know, so that one.
That's very sweet.
Annoys, there are a lot of things about her, but then one I'll tell right now.
How sweet. I said there are a lot of things I admire about you, and you're telling me there are a lot of things that...
That's how we opposite each other. Yeah?
Mm.
She plans a lot of things with us, but hardly anything comes into reality.
I bet Lavanya must be having a good laugh when she watches this video.
And she'll relate to also most of the thing, like, you know. So yeah, she plans a lot of things. Like the minute we discuss something, yeah, I'm coming in. And then she's not there. And
Hey, here I am.
yeah, okay. Exceptions do happen. Like, you know, so yeah, this is something that annoys me. Other than that, I love her way too much. Annoying is not, I can just, you know, ignore it, like, you know. But there are a lot of things that I love about her.
Aww, I love you.